Namaskaram. Dear students, in this video, I would like to give some important questions in Sanskrit for the session ending examination for the students of class 6 in Kendriya Vidyalaya. We have got blueprint. In the blueprint, there are 4 sections. അപഠിത അവബോധനം, രചനാത്മകം കാര്യം, അനുപ്രയുക്ത വ്യാകരണം, പഠിത അവബോധനം. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് റീഡിംഗ്, റൈറ്റിംഗ്, ഗ്രാമർ ആൻഡ് ലിറ്ററേച്ചർ. ഇൻ അപഠിത അവബോധനം, there will be an unseen passage. ഏകഃ അതിസരളഃ ഗദ്യാംശഃ. Read the passage and answer the questions. There are 3 types of questions. അതി ലഘൂത്തരാത്മകൗ, പൂർണ്ണവാക്യാത്മകൗ, കർത്തൃക്രിയാപദ ചയനം. അതി ലഘൂത്തരാത്മകൗ meaning answer in one word. പൂർണ്ണവാക്യാത്മകൗ answer in full sentence. And കർത്തൃക്രിയാപദ ചയനം, that is grammar part. From the passage you will get a sentence, and from the sentence find out what is kartrupadam and what is kriyapadam. For example, balaha vidyalayam gacchati. Balaha vidyalayam gacchati, 3 words are there. Out of these 3 words, which is verb? Verb is an action. Gacchati meaning going. A boy is going to school. That is the meaning of the sentence. Gacchati is the kriyapadam. And who is going? That is kartrupadam. Your answer is balaha. So balaha vidyalayam gacchati. In this sentence, gacchati kriyapadam, balaha kartrupadam. Similarly, a sentence will be taken from the paragraph, and from that sentence you have to find out what is kartrupadam and what is kriyapadam. Okay. Now the next one, rajanatmakam karyam. That is writing section. Question number 2, chitram drishtva ujida nama shabda lekhanam. Some pictures will be given and you have to identify the picture and write the name in Sanskrit. Words will be given. Only thing, you have to select the suitable word and write against the picture. Okay, that is the question number 2. Question number 3, chitram drishtva ujida kriya shabda lekhanam. Here also some pictures will be there. There you have to write the verb form. That question also is MCQ. Words will be given. Only thing, you have to find out the correct kriyapadam and write against the picture. Next question, padanam varna viyoga lekhanam. In the textbook, in first lesson, this varna viyoga is coming. For example, balaha. You have to split the word balaha. B plus a plus l plus a, then visargam. That is balaha. Like that, so many words are there in that chapter that you have to study. Okay, that is 6 mark questions. So 6 words will be given and you have to split these words. That is varna viyogaha. Now next comes anuprayukta vyagaranam, grammar part. Question number 5, let lagara kriyapadehi riktasthana puranam. What is this? Let lagara kriyapadehi riktasthana puranam. Fill in the blanks of the sentences with the verb form of present tense. Words will be given. Present tense verbs will be given. Only thing, you have to select the suitable verb and fill in the blanks. Next question, 6th one, samujidehi kriyapadehi vakyeshu riktasthana puranam. That question is also like that. Some sentences will be given and the kriyapadam will be blank. You have to select the suitable kriyapadam and fill in the blanks. Next question, 7, samujidehi kartrupadehi vakyeshu riktasthana puranam. 6th question is fill in the blanks with the suitable verbs. But 7th question is fill in the blanks with the suitable subject, kartrupadam. Okay, that is a difference. One example also is given, dash subhashidam vadamaha. In the bracket options are there, madamahi, tvam, vayam. So the subject will be according to the verb. Here vadamaha is the verb uttama purushan bahuvajan. So the answer should be vayam. Question number 8. Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsaka linganam vargeekaranam. That is the next question. Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsaka linganam vargeekaranam. In the question paper, there will be some words. Among these words, pulling shabd, some words will be pulling shabd, some words will be Sriling shabd, and some words will be Napumsaka linga shabd. You have to classify these words into pulling, Sriling, and Napumsaka linga. That is the question number 8. Now, Padida Avabodhanam, literature. In literature, question number 9, Gadyamshaha. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. For that question, the chapter also is given. Alasyam hi manushyanam sharirasto mahan ribuhu. From that lesson, there will be paragraph. Based on the paragraph, there will be questions. Adi laguttaralmagau, purnavakyalmagau, and bhashika karyam. Adi laguttaralmagau, answer in one word. Purnavakyalmagau, answer in full sentence. And bhashika karyam is grammar. In the grammar, here also kartru kriyapada chayanam. Identify the kartrupadam and kriyapadam. Next, question number 10, Padyamshaha. Here also chapter is given, Prithivyam Trini Ratnani. From the chapter Prithivyam Trini Ratnani, 1 or 2 slokas will be there. Read the slokas and answer the questions. Here also questions are there, Adi laguttaralmagau, purnavakyalmagau, and bhashika karyam. Okay, answer in one word, answer in full sentence, and grammar. Here in the grammar part, the question will be Paryaya Viloma Pada Chayanam. That is Paryaya Padam. From the given sloka, one word will be there. What is the meaning of that word? Otherwise, what is the opposite of that word? Like that questions can come. That also MCQ, answer will be there, options will be there. You have to select the correct answer from the options. Question number 11, Natyamshaha. Natyamshaha is skit, a skit part. For this question also chapter is given, Tvam Abanam Gacha. From that chapter there will be one part of it is a skit only. Tvam Abanam Gacha is a skit. From there one part will be there, some dialogues will be there. Read the dialogues and answer the questions. Here also Ekapadana Uttarada, Purnavakyana Uttarada, and Vilomapadam or Paryayapadam will be there. Next one, question number 12, Sankhya Lekhanam. In our textbook, there is a lesson for Sankhya that you have to study. I will explain. Next question, Katha Puranam. Katha Puranam is one paragraph will be given and some blanks will be there. Minimum 8 blanks will be there. You have to fill up the blanks with the suitable words. Words will be given. For that purpose also, lesson is given, Buddhihi Sarvartha Sadhiga. The paragraph will be from the lesson, Buddhihi Sarvartha Sadhiga. Question number 14, Paryayapadan Chittva Likhada. Paryayapadan means word meaning. Okay, that also MCQ only. Word and meaning will be given. You have to select the correct meaning of the given words. Okay, this is our blueprint. Now let us discuss the important questions from textbook. Here from the textbook, page number 11, 12 and 13. That is very important. 11, 12 and 13. Chapter number 1, Varna Viyogaha. Okay, in the blueprint there is a question, Varna Viyogaha. Okay, for that question words will be taken from this part, page number 11, 12 and 13. For example, Vakyam. Varnaviyogam V plus A plus K plus Y plus A plus M. Okay, like that Murdhanyaha, Talavyaha, Bahyam, Krida words are given. Okay, that you have to study. Okay, these 3 pages are there. Out of these words, some 6 words will be taken for the question paper, and that words you have to split like this. Okay, that is Varna Viyogaha. Now, that lesson only is there from first term. Then second term. Second term is starting with the lesson Buddhihi Sarvartha Sadhika. Okay, and in the blueprint, question number 13, Kadhapuranam is there. Kadhapuranam, Buddhihi Sarvartha Sadhika. From that lesson only, that Kadhapuranam is coming. Okay, so from that lesson, Buddhihi Sarvartha Sadhika, from that lesson, one paragraph will be there. Okay, and some words you have to fill up in the blanks. For example, the first paragraph, Egasmin Vane Egaha Nitya Jalapurnaha Mahan Sarovaraha Asti Kadajid Ekam Pibasagulam Gajayudham Vanandarad Tatra Agachadi Tasmin Sarovare Te Gajaha Swechaya Jalam Pitwa Snatwa Kriditwa Cha Suryasa Same Nirgachandi Tasya cha Sarovarasya Tire Samandad Sukomala Bhumo Bahuni Shashaka Bilani Sandi Yeshu Bahavaha Shashakaha Nivasanti Gajanam Paripramana Teshu Bileshu Nivasandaha Bahavaha Shashagaha Chadavichadaha Bhavandi Kejana Punaha Mradaha Abhi Bhavandi Adaha Shashagaha Bidaha Chindamagraha Chabhavandi Te Dukkham Anubhavandi Surakshartam Cha Te Ubayam Chindayanti. Okay, what is the content of this paragraph? Egasmin Vane Egaha Nitya Jalapurnaha Mahan Sarovaraha Asti. There is a big pond in a forest which is having full of water. Kadajid Egam Pibasa Gulam Gajayudam Vanandra Tatra Agachadi. Okay, sometimes some elephants, a group of elephants who are very thirsty, used to come to that pond for drinking water and for taking bath and for playing in the water. These elephants used to come there, and after playing and drinking water and after taking bath during sunset, they are going back. Okay, every day it is happening. Tasya Sarovarasya Tire Samandada Sukomala Bhumo Bakuni Shashaka Bilani Sandi. On the bank of that pond, there are so many holes where many rabbits are living. Bahavaha Shashakaha Nivasandi. Many rabbits are living there. Gajanam Paripramana Teshu Bileshu Nivasandaha Bahava Shashakaha Shadavikshadaha Bhavandi. But due to the walking of the elephants, these many of the rabbits, they are getting wounded. Kejana Punaha Mradaha Abhi Bhavandi, and some rabbits died. Therefore, Shashagaha Bidaha, the rabbits are afraid. Chinda Magnaha, they are worried. Te Dukkham Anubhavandi, they are feeling sad. Surakshartam Chate Ubayam Chindayanti, they are thinking about a plan for the protection of themselves. Okay, these are the words and content of the paragraph. Okay, so you have to read the full paragraph. We don't know from where the paragraph is taken for the question paper, but only thing, words will be given. Only you should know, you should be able to read the paragraph and answer the questions. The word, you have to fill up the words, proper words you have to select and fill up. Okay, so understand the story and write the answers correctly. Then next important question is page number 97. Kim Chandraha Sarovare Tishtadi, question number 3. This question is important because in the blueprint there is a question, Let Lagara Kriyapadehi Riktasthana Puranam. Okay, for that question, I think questions will be coming from this page, page 97. exercise number 3. Nivasanti, Chindayanti, Bhavati, Kathayati, Tishtati. These are the words given. Nivasanti meaning living, Chindayanti thinking, Bhavati is, Kathayati says, Tishtati standing. Kim Chandraha Sarovare Tishtati, whether the moon is standing in the pond. Sarve Shashakaha Ubayam Chindayanti, all rabbits are thinking about a plan. Sayankale Shashakanam Sabha Bhavati, in the evening there is a meeting of rabbits. Shashakaha Sarovarasya Tire Nivasanti, rabbits are living on the bank of the pond. Saha Gajarajam Kathayati, he is saying to the king of elephants. Okay, so very very important. You can expect these sentences for the question let lagara kriyapadehi riktasthana puranam, question number 5 in the blueprint. Then next important question, the page 98, 6th question also you should understand, because chitram drishtva kriya shabda lekhanam, for that purpose sometimes this picture will be there. Okay, so some sentences also will be given and you have to fill up those sentences with the suitable verb. So some sentences sometimes it will be that what we are seeing in the picture, a boy is eating mango, the fruit, and a monkey is there on the tree. One girl is getting a fruit from the monkey, then another girl also is sitting there and eating. Okay, the girl is standing nearby the tree, like that we are seeing. So the sentences will be in Sanskrit. Balakaha phalam ghadati, the boy is eating fruit. Vanaraha phalam dadadi, the monkey is giving fruit. Balika phalam swikarodi, the girl is accepting fruit, receiving fruit. Vrikshe vanaraha asti, on the tree a monkey is there. Balika vrikshasya samipe tishtati, a girl is standing nearby the tree. Okay, so these type sentences will be there. Only thing you have to fill up these sentences with the suitable verb. So this also you should study. Next important question is page number 99, 7th question. Page number 99, 7th question. This is word and meaning. In the blueprint, question number 14 is Paryaya Padan Chittwa Ligada. Okay, for that question it can come from this page. Gajaha meaning elephant, Hasti. Padam leg, Charanaha. Chandraha moon, Shashangaha. Sarovaraha pond, Jalashayaha. Praja people, Janata. So this is very important. Study the word and meaning. Next one, page number 103, 103. In this page, exercise number 3. Pulling shabda, Striling shabda. Chhatraha, Vidyalayaha, Sutaha, Ramaha. These words are pulling shabda. Sita, Katha, Priya, Nadi, Devi. These are Striling shabda. Pustakam, Udyanam, Phalam, Bhojanam. These are Nabumsakaling. So the question in the blueprint, Pullinga, Srilinga, Nabumsaka Linganam Vargigaranam. Question number 8 in the blueprint. Okay, for that question words will be taken from this exercise. Okay, so that also please read and study. Then next important question is page number 109, Tvam Abanam Gacha. This is a skit. Tvam Abanam Gacha is a skit. Dialogues are there. This lesson is taken for the literature part in the blueprint. Question number 11, Natyamshaha. Read the skit part and answer the questions. Okay, so this lesson you please read and understand the story. Okay, so some questions will be there based on that skit part. Okay, that is also very important. Then next Page number 118. Prithivya Trini Ratnani. That lesson also is taken for the questions from literature part in the blueprint, question number 10, Padyamshaha. So here this is poem only. There are 8 poems are there. Okay, 8 slokas are there. Out of these 8 slokas, 1 or 2 slokas will be there, and read the slokas and answer the questions. Okay, so what type of questions will be coming? Ekapadana Uttarada, Purnavakyana Uttarada. But here also Ekapadana is there. So let us see these questions. Page number 123. Prithivyam Kadi Ratnani Sandhi. How many jewels are there on earth? Answer 3. Trini. Okay. I am Nijaha Parova Idi Ganana Kesham Bhavadi. Who is having the consideration that this is mine, that is his? Who is having this type of feeling? Answer Lagu Chedasam, for narrow-minded people. Next question. Karyani Kana Siddhyandi. How we get things? Answer Udyamena, by hard work. We get things by hard work. Vidya Kim Dadadi. What does the knowledge give? Answer Vinayam. Vidya Vinayam Dadadi. Janani Janmabhumischa Kasmad Gariyasi. Mother and motherland are greater than what? Answer Surgad. Janani Janmabhumischa Surgad Gariyasi. Mother and motherland are greater than heaven. Langa Kidrishi Asid. What type of place was Langa? Answer Swarnamayi. Langa Swarnamayi Asid. Swarnamayi meaning golden. Now page number 124. Ekavakyana Uttarani Likhata. Prithivyam Trini Ratnani Kani Sandhi. What are the 3 jewels on earth? Answer Jalam Annam Subhashidam. So Prithivyam Jalam Annam Subhashidam Idi Trini Ratnani Sandhi. You have to write the answer in a sentence. Water, food and good saying are the 3 jewels on earth. Udaritaridanam bhavaha kaha bhavati. What is the bhavam, feeling of broad-minded people? Answer Vasudha Kudumbagam. Udaritaridanam bhavaha Vasudha Kudumbagam bhavati. Answer, for broad-minded people, world is the family. Mrigaha swayameva kasya mukhe na pravishanti. Animals do not enter into the mouth of whom? Answer Suptasya Simhasya. Sleeping lion. Animals do not enter into the mouth of a sleeping lion. Abhivadana Shilasya Nityam Kani Vardande. What all are things will increase for a person who salutes others? Answer Ayuhu Vidya Yashaha Balam. Ayuhu meaning lifespan, Vidya knowledge, Yashaha fame, Balam power. These 4 things will increase to a man if he salutes or respects others. Manushaha Dhanad Kim Apnodi. What a man gets from wealth? Answer Dharma. Okay, man will make use of the wealth for doing dharma. So the answer is Dharma. Ulpanneshu karyeshu kidrisham dhanam ubayogaya na bhavati. What type of money is not useful when there is a need? Answer Parahastagatam dhanam. The money which is kept in the hands of others. That money we may not be able to use when there is a need, if the money is in the hands of others. That is very important. The next important question is page number 125, exercise number 6. Here some pictures are given and words also we have to write. Here Chitram Drishtva Ujida Nama Shabda Lekhanam in the blueprint, question number 2. For that questions will be coming from this page. Pushpam. Picture of Pushpam is given. Answer Pushpam. Then lion, Simhaha. Fruit, Phalam. Lady, Mahila. Tree, Vrikshaha. Books, Pustakam. Okay, so these questions you can expect for the question number 2 in blueprint. Now page number 126, exercise number 8. Pullinga Shabda, Srilinga Shabda and Nabunsalinga Shabda. In the blueprint there is a question, exercise number question number 8. Pullinga Srilinga Nabunsaga Linganam Vargikaranam. Here in a box so many words are given. So you have to identify Pulling Shabda, Sriling Shabda and Nabunsaling Shabda. Udyamaha, Vinayaha, Nijaha, Parakramaha. These are Pulling Shabda. Vasudha, Janani, Vidya, Shaktihi, Buddhihi. These all are Sriling Shabda. Sahasam, Dhairyam, Moolam, Dhanam, Patram. These are Nabumsalinga Shabda. So how to identify Pulling, Sriling and Nabumsalinga? So here one idea is there. Udyamaha, Vinayaha, Nijaha, Parakramaha. These words are ending with a sound aha. Udyamaha, Vinayaha, Nijaha, Parakramaha. All these are Pulling Shabda. Then the words which are ending with a Dirgham, Vasudha, Dirgham, Vidya, then Janani, E, Dirgham. Then Shaktihi, Buddhihi also Sriling Shabda. Okay, these all are Sriling Shabda. Then the words which are ending with Sahasam, Dhairyam, Moolam, Patram, Dhanam. All these words are ending with These words are Nabumsalinga Shabda. So easily you can find out the Pulling, Sriling and Nabumsalinga Shabda and write correctly. Okay. Then next important question is page number 133. And here Alasyam hi Manushyanam Sharirasto Mahan Ribuhu. That lesson is there in the literature part, question number 9. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. For that question, paragraph will be taken from this lesson. Alasyam hi Manushyanam Sharirasto Mahan Ribuhu. From here the paragraph will be there, and here also questions. Let us discuss the questions. Page number 133. For exercise number 1, Bhikshugaha kim karodi sma. What the beggar was doing? Answer, Bhikshadanam, begging. Kadachida tena margana kaha agachadi. One day through that way who came? Answer, Dhanigaha, rich man. Bhikshugaha dhanigad kim ichadi. What the beggar wants to get from the rich man? Answer, Prabhudam dhanam, much money. Dhanigaha Bhikshugad kim yajidavan. What does the rich man beg from the beggar? Answer, Sharirangani, body parts. Saubhagyana vayam kim praptavanda. We got something by our good luck. What is that? Answer, Manava Janma, human life. Okay, very important. And the question number 3, exercise number 3. Apanikaha anganim dadadi, Madamahi kadham sravedi, Sainikaha mam rekshadi, Krishnaha kandugam grinnadi, Chhatraha slogam padhati. Okay, this sentence also you read because one question is there. Ujida kriyabadehi riktasthana puranam. For that question, sometimes these sentences will be taken. Okay, Apanikaha ankanim dadadi. The shopkeeper is giving pen. Madamahi katham sravedi. Grandmother is making the child hear the story. Sainikaha mam rekshadi. The soldier is protecting me. Krishnaha kandugam grinadi. Krishna is getting the ball. Chhatraha slogam padati. The student is reading sloga. Okay. Next important question, 134. Exercise number 4. Balikaha Vidyalayam Gachandi. Children are going to school. Okay, so these sentences you can expect for the question in the blueprint, question number 3. Chitram drishtva ujita kriya shabda lekhanam. Okay, picture will be there and you have to write the verb forms. Okay, for that question, sometimes these exercise can come. And here the Baligaha dash gachanti, the blank is Vidyalayam. Baligaha Vidyalayam gachanti. But for you, the question will be Baligaha Vidyalayam dash, because Kriyabadam only missing. So Baligaha Vidyalayam gachanti. Pachinaha dash, sorry, Pachinaha Falani dash. Pachinaha Falani Ghadanti. Sikshakaha Chatran dash. Sikshakaha Chatran Padhayati. The teacher is teaching the student. Nartagi Malam dash. Nartagi Malam Dharati. The dancer is wearing garland. Aham Leganim dash. Aham Leganim Swikaromi. I am accepting the pen. Okay, so Gachanti, Gadanti, Padayati, Dharati, Swikaromi are the verb. So sometimes the questions will be fill in the blanks with a suitable verb. And for the same question, page number 135, exercise number 5 and 6 also can come. Okay, because so many sentences are there, from this exercise also sometimes sentences will be taken for that type of question. Bhaktaha Devam Namati. The devotee is worshipping the God. Chatraha Grandham Patanti. Students are studying the book. Balagaha Katham Likhanti. Boys are writing story. Rama Lekhanim Krinadi. Rama is buying a pen. Sikshakaha Mam Padayati. The teacher is teaching me. Arjunaha Nadim Pashyadi. Arjuna is seeing the river. Pidamahi Rajanim Ahvedi. The grandmother is calling Rajani. Aham Tvam Namaskaromi. I am saluting you. Krishakaha Kshetram Karshadi. The farmer is plowing the field. Paryadakaha Kanyakumarim Gachadi. The tourister is going to Kanyakumari. Chitragaraha Chitram Rajedi. The artist is drawing picture. Okay. Then next exercise, Vayam Subhashidam Vadamaha. Okay, that is given as example in the question number 7 in the blueprint. Okay, that exercise also given. So Vayam Subhashidam Vadamaha. The question will be dash Subhashidam Vadamaha. Ujita Kartrupadehi Riktasthana Puranam. So Vayam is the answer. Vayam, we all. We all say Subhashidam. Arunaha Duravanim Nayadi, Pida Lekani Manedi, Janani Pagam Pachadi, Madamaha Mam Bodayadi, Agraja Tvam Ahvedi. Here also this subject Arunaha, Pida, Janani, Madamaha, Agraja, that also just note down. Okay, words will be given. Only thing you have to select the suitable word and fill in the blanks. Now the next important question is Sankhya. That is question number 12, Sankhya Leganam. In Sankhya Leganam, page number 144, question number 2. Agashe dash Suryaha Vibhadi. On the sky dash sun is shining. Answer Ekaha. Ekaha Suryaha, one sun. Ekaha. Mama haste dash Anguleha Sandhi. On my hand dash fingers are there. Answer 5. Pancha. Saptahe dash Vasaraha Bhavandi. In a week dash days are there. Answer 7. Sapta. Kartikeya dash Mukhani Sandhi. Kartikeya has got dash faces. Answer 6. Shad. Vyakarane dash Vajanani Sandhi. In the grammar dash Vajanas are there. Answer 3. Trini. Ekavajanam, Divajanam, Bahuvajanam. Okay, 3 Vajanas are there in language, grammar. Gagane dash Grahaha Sandhi. On the sky dash planets are there. Answer 9. Nava. Then exercise number 3 is also important. Kadi dishaha sandhi. How many sides are there? Answer 10. Dasha. Saptahe kadi vasaraha bhavanti. Already we explained how many days are there in a week. Varshe kadi masaha bhavanti. In a year, how many months are there? Answer 12. Dwadasha. Bhavataha kadi dandaha sandhi. How many teeth you are having? Answer 32. Dvatrimshat. Swaraha kadi bhavanti. How many swaras are there? Answer Sapta 7. Okay. Then sometimes page number 145, fourth question, match the following: Panja, Egam, Ashta, Vimshadi, Trayodasha. Panja 5, Egam 1, Ashta 8, Vimshadi 20, Trayodasha 30. Okay, match the following. Sometimes that type question may come, but I think the questions will be exercise number 2 and 3. Okay, then the next one, page number 152, question number 3. Mama dash shiraha asti. Answer ekam. I have got one head. Mama dash padaustaha. Answer do. I have got 2 legs. Mama dash keshaha sandhi. Answer bahavaha. I have got many hairs. Mama dash dandaha sandhi dvatrimshad. I have got 32 teeth. Mama hastayoho dash angulyaha sandhi. On my both hands there are 10 fingers. Dasha. Okay, dasha. This question also very important. Okay, these are the important questions which will be there for your session ending.